Hey y'all, it's me Arielle. Today I'm showing you how I'm washing my hair these days. I'm 11 months post relaxer. I last washed my hair April 8th and I braided it up. I took my braids out the day after Memorial Day and now it's time to wash it. So I have my hair all pulled forward. I'm washing it in the sink, so it's easier for me that way to have it pulled forward. I'm going through it right now to finger detangle it. I already combed through it and everything, but I'm still finger detangling, trying to make it easier on myself for when my head gets in the sink, even though there's really nothing easy about washing your hair this many months post relaxer. My hair is very dirty. I'm trying to show you my new growth here. You can't really see it because my hair has been combed out and stretched and everything. Today I'm using cheap products. I'm using Tresemme Deep Cleanse shampoo and Aussie Miracle Smooth conditioner. My first wash day, I'm gonna make a full year video on how my transition has been. My first wash day was terrible and I used a little bit more expensive products, so I'm gonna use the cheap stuff today. My natural hair is low porosity, and you guys, I found the perfect video to explain low porosity hair. Check it out in my description. But yeah, I'm clipping off the left side of my head and I'm gonna work on the right. Do not judge me for anything that you see me doing. This is just me trying to get my hair washed. It's a struggle. It's just, don't judge me, okay? My first shampoo, I don't worry too much about getting the suds. I really just am trying to, get the product on my hair to get rid of some of that buildup. The second one is where all my suds come. I do like to finger detangle the whole process because my hair will get very tangled if I just wait until the time I put the conditioner on it. So for me, this is the first time in my life I've been natural. I've been getting relaxers literally, honestly, since I was 3 or 4 years old. And I just kept on doing them. So this is very different for me. I've worked with natural hair when I was doing hair, but I've never worked with this much transitioning hair at one time. So it's very, very new. I would be lying if I said it's easy. I've cried in the sink. I've yanked big chunks of my hair out. It's really been a journey. It's been a long year. But when my hair is clean, I'm fine. But when it's dirty and I'm in the sink like this, I'm crying, I'm praying. It's just, but I get that it's a process and I'm doing it. So now I am going to go back and do my second shampoo. My last relaxer was June 11th, 12th. I don't know the exact date now, but I will tell you everything in that update video I'm going to do. But I can't say I haven't thought about getting a relaxer. I have thought about it so many times. This video especially, I thought about it, but I'm just trying to stick it out. And if you can encourage me, that'll be so amazing. This is a judgment-free zone. This video was really hard to film because I'm trying to make sure I'm showing you everything while being in frame, but making sure you can see my hair. So sorry if you can't see 100% what I'm doing, but I hope it's enough. I like to rinse my shampoo with warm water. The only time I use cold is when I do rinse the conditioner out. I start with warm and then I finish with cold. You see me getting stressed out? Woo! Then I put conditioner on my hair on the right side, but you didn't see me do that because the camera died. But you will see when I do it on the left side. So my hair is so low porosity. Look how it's just, I had to speed this part up because it took me about two hours to do this whole process. Yes. From the detangling and everything like that, yeah, about 2 hours. So my hair is just, it doesn't like water. My relaxed hair, as you can see, is nice and wet, but my natural hair is not with it. So I've watched a bunch of transitioning videos to try to get familiar with other people's routines and what works for them. I try to research as much as I can, experiment on myself, but honestly, I'm only going to experiment so much on myself before I get annoyed. Like, my patience is just terrible. I'm trying to get that together because I'm going to need it to get through this. So yeah, if you have transition, like I said, and you want to help me, you got some tips or some videos you can direct me to, help me please, help me please. I really do like to shampoo my hair. While I do it, I pull through the ends and I'm pulling out the shedding hair. Well, it's not really my natural hair shedding, it's the relax. So I just put it on the side by the sprayer. I tried these products on my sister's hair a couple weeks ago and it worked perfect. Like, her hair was beautiful, gorgeous, and I was just like, oh well, it should work on me, because I was like, we sisters, we should have the same hair, right? But I don't think we have the same hair, because no, we ain't got the same hair. So for the second wash, I am really like scratching. I know a lot of people are against using your nails. When I was working doing hair, I obviously wouldn't use my nails on other people, but for me, I need to use my nails. Like, I need to feel like all the dirt is coming off, and I want my hair to be squeaky clean. Now this is when I put the conditioner on it. I did this because, like I said, my hair is low porosity, which means it's going to dry really quick and it's going to start to tangle when it's dry. So I put in the conditioner on it just to, keep it soft while I shampoo it one more time. I love this conditioner and shampoo together. I use it on all my wigs and everything, and it works good. I never tried it on my real hair because I had stuff that I liked that worked, but I think it would have worked really well on my relaxed hair. I don't have any complaints about it with my transitioning hair, but I am interested in trying new products. So I left the conditioner in a couple minutes, and then I'm rinsing it out with warm water. Then I'm gonna go in and shampoo it, yes, one more time. Do not judge me for doing it like this. Oh wait, before I rinse it out, I forgot, I do put some water on it just to wet the hair back up, run my fingers through it just to moisten everything back up, and then I rinse it. So before I started transitioning, I was that bra strap length a little bit past it, and I had like terrible breakage, which I will show you in the next video. Well, not the next video, but the update video. So I just started cutting into my hair, and then long story short, I decided let's just transition. So I'm gonna try to include as many pictures and everything as I can. Now I'm like, I think I'm back at bra strap length, figuring it out as I go. If you have transitioned or you are transitioning, let me know. We can do this together. Leave me some tips if you have them. I know how the natural Nazi can be. I know that they are very judgmental. It's a little bit much for me, I'm not gonna lie. I hate when I see negative comments on other people's videos, but I figure it just comes with, doing it. I don't have any plans on when to cut my hair, like cut my relaxed ends off. I'm not in a rush to do it. Just want to put that out there. This is not a wash day routine, like I do this every time. No, this is just what I did today. But I'm just gonna scrub it. It did get as clean as I wanted. As far as my texture goes, so I think I have 3 different textures. The front is one, the middle, especially the middle back, is another one, and then the back is another one. So yeah, I'll show you those 2 in that video. Hopefully I can show you. The first shampoo I used was Shea Moisture something or another, and I didn't like the way it smelled, and I didn't feel like it worked really well. It had the words transitioning on it, and I was like, oh, that's me. So I picked it up thinking it would work, but it really didn't do much for me. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure it out, you guys. I'm just going with the flow. The line of demarcation from where my relaxed hair and my natural hair starts, oh my gosh, that is like the painful part. So when I put my conditioner on, I'm just gonna finger detangle. I'm not gonna use a comb. It just feels like too much going on when I use the comb. So when I'm done washing my hair, conditioning my hair, I'll detangle it with a leave-in conditioner and some water to keep it wet while I detangle it. But this conditioner, rinsing it out with warm water like I told you before, and then I'm gonna finish off with cold as I can stand it. And in the middle of the back of my head, I did have a no, not perm. I hate when people say perm. A relaxer burn, but I'll show you. We'll talk about that. We're gonna talk about all of it. Dry my hair in a t-shirt. I don't really do too much drying, just so that it doesn't drip across the floor. I use a t-shirt. It dries really fast, especially my natural hair. Now I'm using my Wella leave-in conditioner. I love this for my fully relaxed hair. It doesn't really do much for me now, but I bought it and I want to just use it up because it was a little pricey. Then I'm using this water to keep it wet while I detangle it. The detangling process, oh my gosh, it's stressful even thinking about it. These are my curls, you guys. I did not know my hair could do this, so it's really cool to me. It's interesting. When I have to wash it before, it's terrifying, but afterwards when it's clean, I just think it's worth it. So to stretch my hair, I part it, make some plaits, and then I just let it dry, and then I moisturize, seal, braid it back up, and get back to my wigs. These are my curls in the back. All my curls are just so different, but look at these. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This video was more so for me so I can look back on the days when I'm tired and see where I am and how far I've come. If you're doing this, let's do this together. Comment down below, tell me how far along you are in your journey. If you've had any struggles, whatever you want to tell me, girl, we can do this together. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.